literally just woke up and came straight outside to look at this. Let's see if it was open, and there it is. Look at how beautiful it is. I think it opens up more, I'm not sure. So pretty. And I also think that this might be the one that gives you fruit. I'm not sure. Look, there's a bee already there. Oh my gosh. There's a bee there. So cool. I don't want to get too close. Let's see if I can. It's pollinating it. It's so cool. Let me see if I can go around my palm tree. Hold on. That's so cool. I was telling myself I'm gonna have to pollinate these myself, but there's a bee already doing it. That's really cool. And we have still 3 more that I'm gonna open. So cool, guys. I propagated this cactus. I propagated it, and as you can see, I did a good job. It's happy. Happy cactus, huh? So pretty. Since I'm already on here and I just woke up, haven't even drank coffee or brushed my teeth, I'm gonna do that. Let me just show you real quick. So this pot is one of the pots that I got for free, and I dry brushed it, and I really like the way it looks. It was just looking too dirty, like too moldy, and I tried to remove the mold and it wouldn't come out. So it's a terracotta pot, so I dry brushed it, and I really like the way it turned out. And I pulled this one out from the side of my greenhouse over there. Yeah, because it's getting big, and I just like the look of the tree look, you know, in the pot. So I think that's really nice. So I put that there. And then I had to move this one again. Because the leaves were burning. The leaves were burning on this one. So she'll be okay here. Over there she was getting afternoon sun. It was too much sun. So now she's over here. So she will do better here. I also moved that over here. I like the way this area is looking right here. Anyways, guys, I just wanted to share that real quick with you. Need to go drink some coffee. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and have a blessed day, guys. Bye.